we're going to show you how to change the ink cartridges for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer. This would also apply to the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 printer. So you may need to change the ink cartridge if it is low on ink or the ink has run out. So let's open the front cover. Make sure that the scanner lid is closed properly and not in the lifted up position. Next, you can open up the ink access door. This will give you more clearance to change your ink. Remove the used ink cartridges by pushing in, and the spring will snap it out. Next, take a set of new ink cartridges. Do note that the ink cartridge number may vary depending on the region that you purchase your printer. Load in the ink with the corresponding color as shown. Push in the ink cartridge until it snaps in place. Repeat for the following colors. Once that is done, you may close the access door and the front door as well. The front panel will show that new HP cartridges are installed. Select OK. And so, this is how you change the ink cartridges for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 series printer.